Which technology is best in cable tray manufacturing? Roll forming or press brake? Today we'll do a full comparison, with expert insights. So let's get started. Cable tray is an essential support system that safely carries electrical wires and cables, mostly used in commercial and industrial buildings. There are two popular methods of making cable trays, roll forming and press brake. Both have different technologies, and different results. Press brake is a traditional method where the sheet is manually bent. Each angle needs manual alignment, the speed is slow, and the consistency is low. Roll forming is an automatic and high-speed process where a metal coil passes through a machine, and the tray is formed in a single flow. Fast, accurate, and reliable. Let's look at a simple comparison, press brake versus roll forming. Super Roll Forming is India's leading roll forming machine manufacturer. We are proud to deliver top-notch machines, with unmatched quality, service, and value. With our machines, you get low wastage, high precision, and long-term reliability. That's what creates a revolution in production. Super Roll Forming, create future-ready cable tray manufacturing units. Machines that deliver on the promise of performance, precision, and productivity. So if you want to take your cable tray manufacturing to the next level, call Super Roll Forming now. The number is +91 98290 23969. See you in the next video.